No! Sabi mo, hi guys.
Hi guys.
Napaka-solemn naman. Parang hindi makatotohanan yung persona na nilalabas mo dito sa vlog ko.
Nasarado ba yung garage?
Hindi ko lang.
Tignan ko na lang.
Oh, saan tayo pupunta?
Makiki-Christmas party tayo.
Makiki-Christmas party kami. Kasi doon talaga kami nag-work dati. Mga 10 years ago.
Alumni.
Alumni kasi.
Imbitado pa rin yung alumni.
True. Anyways, yun nga, papunta na kami.
Sa Asian buffet.
Ay, hindi ka nila kilala ata.
Huwag na nila ako kilala.
Nga, anong pangalan mo?
Kasi Pia.
Sino ka?
Ako yung president ng KimKat Buhay Vancouver Fans Club.
Oo. So, kung may reklamo kayo, tsaka may bash kayo, wag sa amin.
Kung kailangan nyo ng mga free guesting, ganon.
Oo.
DM lang.
DM lang kayo. Siguro walang free na guesting.
Siguro,
CHAR. Okay, wala pa sikat dito. I'm in Calgary na pala. Wala pa sikat. Next week pa siya pupunta dito kasi
Miss you, Kat. Miss you.
ewan ko lang kung bakit.
Ewan ko. Nagdadrama lang.
Yeah.
Gusto niya kasi may sarili siyang entrance.
Oo.
Like, pagdadating siya.
Totoo. Gusto niya yung magtatanong muna yung nasan si Kat, ganyan.
Oh, sa ganito
Gusto
pa siya
niya lang yung
dadating. Antayin mo, gano'n.
Oo. Anyways, maghahanap ako ng mga eco-content dun sa party.
AKA manggagamit lang. Kaya siya pupunta.
Totoo yan. Investment to. Okay, sige. See you later.
Bye.
It's rated X. That means you're extra, extra, extraordinary.
Hindi ako masyado naka-video anyways. Kasi I was shy and also maraming pa-game si Tita Judy yung nagaganon ng ng bingo. Kaya yun lang yung na-video ko. You'll probably see them again kasi may Christmas party kami ng mga family friends this coming Saturday. So, yun lang. Also, the next day was Monday. Kahapon lang to actually. Pinick up namin si Carmela from school. Tapos, nagpunta kami ng dollar store as her request.
Where do you want to go now? You want to go home now?
No,
Where do you want to go?
Disneyland.
No, right now.
We can't go.
Can't go to Disneyland right now. Where do you want to go right now?
Salda store.
Where?
Salda store.
Dollar store? Why?
Because,
Punta tayong dollar store. Gusto mo?
yeah.
Uy, may ambulance. What happened?
I think somebody died.
Oh, die agad. Grabe naman. Pwede bang napilayan lang?
Ay, ay, ay.
What do you want for Christmas, Ella?
LOL. I already have socks.
Meron silang
They
Secret
give me
Santa
penguin
na socks. Tapos may nabun. Who did you pick? Who did you give socks to?
I'm Mabel.
Mabel, yeah.
I forgot
like
to
Mabel.
give.
Huh?
I forgot to give it to neighbor.
Hala! Nasaan na?
Now I give it to her.
Siyempre, you forgot you were you were at home sick.
No, I forgot to give it in school. Only in school.
Okay.
When we're not done at school, I forgot to give.
Okay.
And then when
Are you-
we're done at school, I give it.
Okay.
Oh,
I forgot.
are you mad? Are you mad?
No, I wasn't giving attitude.
Oh, wala ko
Are you just explaining?
No.
I thought you were giving me attitude.
I'm not explaining.
What did you do today at school?
If you do penguins.
What?
Penguin?
You did penguins?
Penguin dance?
Oh, penguin dance?
Yeah. And then you
Yeah.
the music room I will not tell.
Melly, you didn't do the ting 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 song at school?
No. We're not allowed.
Bawal ba yun?
That's only growing ups. That's for TikTok.
Ah.
In school we don't do TikTok. But
Mga
but
addicted sa
another
TikTok
school
kasi yung
but
mga-
another school do TikTok.
Another school does TikTok? Grabe sila, oy.
My best friend is Patrice. So do Patrice.
Okay, let's go to the dollar store.
Okay. I want to look at toys.
Christmas LOL ba yun?
Chocolate. Candy cane. Ate, what is this?
Mel,
Dinosaurs. What dinosaur? Not elephant. Elephant's not a dinosaur. Elephant's not a dinosaur. Why you look like a dinosaur with eyes? This one look like a raptor. Unicorn, water, a mermaid.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Run the day and drive it in a scooter. A raptor is. Zip on. This. Pretty. I have to flip. I want this. Like pigs get to go inside the farm. They go in the zoo farm. I'm paying.
You're paying? Okay.
So I can buy. No.
You have to wait for your change. You have to wait for your change. She's gonna give you a change. You have to wait for it. You have to put it on your pocket. What do you say?
Thank you.
You want it? Your receipt?
No.
No, thank you.
Me.
Going.
Let's go there where the flag is. Let's go eat in the restaurant. Let's go eat in the restaurant. No, sis. Let's go eat in the restaurant.
Ay na po, napakalamig po. Nag-drive lang dun. Ay, ano ba naman to?
Got it!
Yan. To the moon! Go open it. Open the door. Go.
So that's it for today's vlog. Thank you all for watching, and please watch again. See you next time.